So this is how I organize our little space.
Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same.
How are you guys all doing today? After work, I stopped by at Daiso. If you guys don't know what Daiso is a dollar Japanese store. I went to the one, it's in South Center Mall, pick up some items, and I just would like to share it with you guys today. So, here it is. I'm gonna do a Daiso haul and Seafood City haul. Let me just share with you. So at South Center Mall, Daiso is Jollibee, Chowking, Seafood City. So it's all like that Filipino store area. I don't know how you call that. Daiso is right next to Jollibee. So yeah, why not? I was there already, so I picked up some items. I love shopping at Daiso because it's really inexpensive. And the quality is way better than Dollar Tree. And I usually go to Dollar Tree as well. I love going there for my organization stuff or organization totes. So that's where I buy my stuff. But in Daiso, there's a lot of things, cute things that they carry. And I love going there because again, it's cheap and it's only $1.50. I'm going to share with you what I bought today. I bought a total of 23 items. And all these are all $1.50. I paid about $36. So first, let me start with this disposable gloves. And there's 100 pieces inside this box. Decorative frame right here. I'm planning to spray paint this into metallic gold. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Ian picked this up. It's a microfiber duster. I think. Baking soda. Got this ice bag. Also picked up this punches. I used to have this punches when I used to live in Maui, and I sold it all during the garage sale because I didn't know how to, you know, it was so expensive to put it in my luggage. So then Ian also picked up this epoxy glue. This is the cutest thing ever. I got a mechanical pencil and look, it looks like a syringe. I don't know how you call that. It's so cute. Got this, not me, Ian got this. It's for the toothpaste, it's a tube squeezer. Clear pencil case, design knife. I believe this is also considered like an X-Acto knife. Ian picked this up. This is so cute. Stainless steel chopsticks. Ian found it and he's like, hey, I need that. And then the remaining items are all mine. This one. I got some gloves. I also pick up this cute crystal push pins. These are the things that I'm just planning to pick up earlier. You know, for like dressing and stuff. I need this for work because I usually pack my lunch going to work, and then instead of, oh my god, I pick up some damaged ones. Why? Look, usually use this to, this is where I put, like, if I have a salad, I put the dressing inside. $1.50 each. Lastly, I bought this chalkboard sticker. Did I call it right? Yeah, chalkboard label stickers. I bought this because I've reorganized our bathroom stuffs. I need to label it because, you know, I'm with someone that needs visual presentation or visual writing where to put some stuff, and you know who that is. So that's for the Daiso items. I also pick up some items at Seafood City. If you don't know what's a Seafood City, it's a supermarket. It's a Filipino supermarket. I got there around 8 o'clock and they were all cleaning already, getting ready to close. So I was so pressured about, okay, hurry up because they're gonna close. Anyway, so I picked up some items like, if you're Filipino, you know what this is. This is my childhood. Pick up this. Yay! It's the Eden cheese, you know? This, if you're Filipino, again, you know what it is. It's a, you know, this thing is expensive. It costs $5. Like, I can't believe it, just because it has this plastic container. But I opted to get the plastic container because it's cool how the cheese fits inside. Like, you know, I don't have to wrap it in foil or something else, and it already has its own compartment or something. And it has this grater thingy. I don't know, did I call it right? Grater? That is also my childhood. I love Eden cheese. Eden cheese. So, did I can't. Okay, especially if my mom puts it like on her spaghetti. Speaking, I miss my mom's cooking. Ding dong! Forget about this. This is very, very important. Yay! Lucky me! Lucky me, pancit canton. Lucky me, pancit canton. Pancit canton. We live with pancit canton. And this one. Ian requested for me to buy this. Pure Foods corned beef. I bought some oatmeal. This one is the variety pack. It comes with maple and brown sugar, cinnamon and spice, apples and cinnamon. This past week, I tried to prepare breakfast for Ian and I just realized, you know, it's a brand new year and we're not getting any younger, and I want to make sure we live a healthy life, especially like we are away from our family. Okay, hi, sorry. The camera just decided to turn off by itself. I don't know, I'm probably blubbering for like 15 minutes. I've already tried it this week and it's kind of working out great. Like, I am not an oatmeal person. Like, the first time I ate it, I was like, ugh, I don't like the taste. It's like, it's just different. So then I was searching and I was going through YouTube, you know, how other people do their oatmeal, and some people put like almond milk on it, or like the vanilla extract or yogurt. Anyways, I think that's it. That's all I got on this haul. It's good because Ian is also off today. I mean, sorry, off tomorrow. Let me call him. Yeah. Alisa, sajud lang. I'm still recording.
Hi guys, I'm sick.
You don't look sick. Ian is sick. First time he wasn't able to get to work today. He called out sick for the first time. Pretty much that's it. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye!
Hello, what you doing in my stuff?
I'm trying to order this.
But that is my stuff.
Then pasalamat ka.